Hey y'all, it's Crystal here. Today we have a brand new 2023 33-foot Prowler. We've got 3 of these in stock. This one is a 292 SRK. And we have it priced at $34,900. I'm gonna do videos on all 3 today. But just letting you see these. These are very nice. Brand spanking new. Let's go on in and look at the inside. Okay, y'all, look at this. And I'll go ahead and tell you, this has the new camper smell, which, if you're like me and love new car smell and new house smell, this is what it has in it. This is brand new. And this is the 292 SRK. It says the hitch holds 760 pounds, dry weight 6,900. The sleep capacity is 5 to 6 on it. And the gross VWR weight is 9,500 pounds. So I hope that helps you all at least a little bit to know about these new Prowlers. I love the color scheme in these. All the grays and the white. Doors, here's the bathroom. Got towel hooks. Like I said, this is brand new. So y'all need to come down here and look at these. I think we're going to get a few more in. So if this is not the one you like, call us and see what else we're getting in. The other 2 are different model numbers also. But this is the 292 SRK. 33 foot. For $34,900. Call us with any questions. Check out our website at parkwayrvcenter.com. Please keep checking out our channel. I know we've kind of slowed down and everything. We're trying to get back on schedule and get these videos out to you all. So I appreciate your patience with us. Just keep watching, please, supporting our channel. Like and subscribe, share it with all your friends and family, because that's what we're about, is our family and our friends, and just trying to keep Big Bo's legacy going. So keep watching, stay tuned. Talk to y'all later. Bye.